How to fix link direct open on browser. So what I'm talking about is if you tap on any kind of link that is supposed to open an app but it opens on your browser, I'm going to show you how to fix that problem. So first what you want to do is go to the settings and open your app section right here. Just tap on apps and open your app settings. If someone sends you a link of YouTube video, but when you open the link, it opens on your browser, that means your YouTube is not being the default system to open that link. So in order to fix that, what you want to do is scroll all the way down until you find YouTube. Tap on YouTube, and when you go to open supported links, so you want to tap in set as default first and turn this option on, open supported links and supported web address. So all of these web addresses are supported, so you can see if someone sends you a link with this address, it will open up on YouTube. Before, when it was turned off, it would directly go to the browser and not open it on the app. So if you turn it on, it will open up in your app with all of these supported web addresses. And you can do this for all apps. You can check other apps as well. So if I just check my WhatsApp, someone sends me a WhatsApp group link or any kind of link for WhatsApp, but it opens on browser. I'm just gonna go to set as default, open supported links. All of these supported links are gonna be opened in my WhatsApp app, so not on the browser. And that's how you fix link direct open on browser problem. I hope you found the video helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.